What's going on, guys? Ian here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got another bike I'd like to show you today. Got an 07 Yamaha Stratoliner. It's one of their big touring bikes. 1700 cubic inch motor. It's got hard leather bags. It's gloss black with a little bit of a flake in it. Nice solid engine guard. Mag front wheel. Paint job still good. Looks like a little bit of a rock chip there. These are pretty nice bikes. Got a lot of power for them. Power to them. Does have a quick release windshield. That's always nice to have. Looks like it's got upgraded grips, karaoke ISOs, upgraded mirrors, a little bit of detail, nice and chrome. I do like the blacked out motor on this one with the polished fins. That's a pretty nice feature. Rider and passenger seat with a sissy bar for the passenger with the luggage rack. All in all, it's a pretty nice bike. Let's see how many miles we have. And of course, all of our bikes do come with a pigtail for the battery tender. $17,902. See how she sounds. It does have a 2-in-1 exhaust system. I'm not quite sure which exhaust system it is, but it is a 2-in-1 performance exhaust, which is always nice. Sounds kind of like a D&D. Started up real nice, no hesitations. Given this bike is an 07, it is eligible for our extended warranty, excuse me. Also great financing options. If you have any questions about this unit, you can contact our sales team at 888-400-1151, or if you want to see some pictures that we have of this motorcycle, it's on our website at cleanharleys.com. This is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company. Thanks for watching.